corn sketching techniques. Outline the overall shape. Begin by lightly sketching the basic shape of the corn using an HB or 2H pencil. Define the elliptical shape of the cob, the arrangement of the kernels, and any outer husks, if included. Consider the perspective, as the appearance of the corn will change depending on whether it's viewed from the front, side, or at an angle. Draw the kernel arrangement. Corn kernels are arranged in neat rows to maintain accuracy. Lightly draw a grid pattern first, marking horizontal and vertical guides to ensure even spacing. Then, gradually shape each kernel, while keeping in mind that their size and shape may change due to perspective. Create depth for each kernel. Each kernel resembles a small cube or oval, with highlights and shadows creating its three-dimensional form. Use a 2B or 4B pencil to darken the bottom and side shadows of each kernel to enhance depth. Leave highlight areas to make the kernels appear glossy and full. Add texture and details. The surface of each kernel may have slight wrinkles or tiny indentations. Use delicate short strokes or subtle shading to depict these details. Some kernels might be slightly misshapen or have minor imperfections, adding realism to the drawing. Define the cob structure. Deepen the shadows between the kernels to separate them clearly. The central cob, which is partially hidden beneath the kernels, can be subtly indicated by shading around the base of each kernel to create depth. Sketch the outer husk if present. If the corn has outer husks, use flowing curved lines to illustrate their direction. Use cross-hatching or smooth shading techniques to create the fibrous texture of the husk. The edges of the husk are often slightly curled, so adding these details enhances realism. Final adjustments and contrast enhancement. Review the entire drawing. Refine the highlights on the kernels for a more luminous effect, and deepen the shadows to improve contrast. Strengthening these elements will make the corn appear more three-dimensional and visually striking.